to all. So now in this class we discuss about the different current relationship and the leakage currents. So now what is current in transistor? IE equal to IB plus IC. As we discussed earlier in first class, total current is IE and some part is goes to base, that is IB, and left part is goes to output, that is IC. So IE is equal to IB plus IC. Now we divide this equation number 1, divide equation 1 with IC. So what will be happen? IE divided by IC equal to IB divided by IC plus 1. So IE divided by IC. What is this? This is equal to 1 by alpha. We know alpha is a IC by IE. And beta is a IC by IB. So we can put here 1 upon alpha, and here is a 1 upon beta plus 1. So what is alpha? So we can write down alpha is equal to beta upon 1 plus beta. This is alpha. By this equation we can write here, and from this equation we also write here beta is equal to alpha divided by 1 minus alpha. So that is the relationship between alpha and beta, and we know that what is gamma? Gamma is IE upon IB. So we can put here IE is equal to IB plus IC divided by IB. This is 1 plus beta. So this is the relation between current alpha, beta and gamma. In examination it's come, what is the relation between alpha and beta? Alpha is equal to beta upon 1 plus beta, beta is equal to alpha minus 1 minus alpha, and gamma is 1 plus beta. This is the relationship. Now so now we know that in current IC, output current, it is having two components, IC majority and IC minority. So IC majority, in case of common base configuration, we know that common base, common emitter and common collector, these are configuration. Current is same. Simple मतलब है कि हम कान कैसे पकड़ रहे हैं, या तो हम सीधे कान पकड़ सकते हैं या तो हम घुमा के कान पकड़ सकते हैं या नाक पकड़ सकते हैं. तो सिंपल मतलब ये है कि करंट तो वही है IC, तो कॉमन बेस में हो चाहे कॉमन करंट इज सेम, बट द इक्वेशन ऑफ करंट विल बी चेंज एंड दे कैन कन्वर्टेबल. तो इन कॉमन बेस करंट IC इज इक्वल टू अल्फा IE plus leakage current ICBO, and common emitter configuration, output current is majority current, that is beta IB, plus minority or leakage current, that is ICBO. Current is the same. Value of alpha and beta can convert, and this leakage current we can also convert this leakage current. So now we have to see what is the relation among these leakage current. तो first we define, in question आता है, एग्जाम में आता है, what is relationship between ICBO and ICEO. So first thing is this कि ICO and ICBO that are approximate equal to 1 in some extent, but there is some problems for higher current applications. So we can say ICO and ICBO is having equal values. What is ICBO? We define it here: C for collector, B for base, and O for open. It is collector to base current when third terminal, what is third terminal? That is ammeter. When third terminal is open, then it is we can say it is collector to base current when ammeter is open. It is ICBO. So we can also mix diagram here. Ammeter, this is ammeter. Ammeter is open, and the current flowing is a ICB. Second is ICEO. What is ICEO? It is collector, it is emitter, and it is open. So there are three terminals, collector, emitter and base. तो ऑब्वियसली कलेक्टर है, एमिटर है, तो तीसरा टर्मिनल ओपन होगा. तो कौन सा ओपन है? यहाँ पे बेस ओपन है. इट इज, वी कैन डिफाइन हियर, इट इज कलेक्टर टू एमिटर करंट व्हेन बेस इज ओपन, एंड आल्सो indicate from the figure. Base open means here base current is a 0, and this current is ICEO. It is collector to base current when it is collector to emitter current when base is open. Now what is the relation between ICBO and ICO? We know that ki IC is equal to alpha IE plus ICBO. And there is second relation, IC is equal to beta IB plus ICO. So now we have to derive the relation between ICBO and ICO. So we take this equation and derive the relationship. Try to derive the relationship. What is IC? IC is equal to, take another page. IC is equal to alpha IE plus ICBO. Alpha, in place of IE we can put IB plus IC plus ICBO. Here is IC, here is IC. To take this IC in another side, so IC 1 minus alpha, here is IC. Take this alpha IC here, so it's become IC 1 minus alpha equal to alpha IB plus ICB. Is it clear? Now again, what is IC? 1 minus alpha, take in another side, alpha IB upon 1 minus alpha plus ICBO upon 1 minus alpha. Again, when IB is a 0, means base is open, then IC is a ICEO. What we here, when base is open, IB is a 0, then IC is a ICEO. So we are putting here in this equation, when IB is a 0, then IC is equal to ICE1. So now this equation is the 0. What is we can put IC is equal to ICEO. ICEO equal to IB is a 0, and this become ICBO 1 divided by 1 minus alpha. This condition satisfy when IB is a 0, and that is a relationship between ICEO divided by 1 minus alpha. This is our final expression, and we can also write this final expression in the terms of beta. So ICEO equal to 1 plus beta into ICB. We know the relationship between alpha and beta. So in place of alpha, we can write beta. Alpha, what is alpha? Alpha is equal to beta 1 plus alpha. Alpha is equal to beta divided by 1 plus beta. So we can write here, and we'll get this relationship. So by this relationship, it is very much clear that leakage current ICEO is much greater than leakage current ICBO. Leakage current ICBO is much greater than leakage current of ICBO. That is the relationship. Thank you very much.